Hey crew, it's Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and I got another package from Kemimoto. Yep, another product review. This time, it's foot pegs, highway pegs to be exact. I already have a set of Kuriokin Longhorn highway peg mounts and a set of cheap foot pegs off of eBay that match the Street Glide Specials originals. So we're going to replace those with these, and I'm going to try these out and see how I like them. This is my existing set, and I have it on this side just below the GoPro mount. We'll have to see if these are about the same length. Otherwise, I may have to change this up a little bit. And because of the way these angle with the arm in here, I'm sure I'm going to have to change them some. Let's go ahead and get these off. Start out putting these on in about the same spot as the old ones. It's a pretty simple clamp. I don't think this arm is quite as long as the ones I had before. Now, I marked where the existing one is with tape to have a reference point. On the other side, I had to go down a little bit from the original location, so we'll do the same on this side for a starting point. Trying to eyeball this one to match the side I've already done initially. I'm taking the set screw on the inside out because it was already loose. And if I don't, it'll vibrate out and I'll lose it. Because I want the peg to be able to fold in. I just want to set a set screw for where it folds out to. At this point, we bring in our model, Firecracker on 2 wheels, and have her sit on the bike and tell me if it looks like it's about even from the rider's perspective. Everybody tell Firecracker hi. Thanks for helping out.
To me, it feels about the same as how I tell the logo to.
Okay.
Except for maybe tilted this way.
Tilt this way?
Yeah.
I will. What Firecracker just said was I did a perfect job lining this up. Got the set screw in. We're gonna crank this one around. Now, we gotta rotate the face of the foot peg a little bit, and I think we'll be good.
Look the other way, Dave.
Yeah, what?
Towards me.
I know, I haven't moved it any yet.
Oh, I thought you did.
I'm not off the splines yet. There. About like that.
Yeah, that looks pretty close. I will say, to be honest with you,
Yeah.
on that side, this part is
Point
turned
in more.
in this way, and this is in more.
Well, I was afraid of that, but oh yeah, I got this one wrong.
That's why I was telling you.
Right one points down like I want. The left one does. It's way higher. It needs to rotate in and down.
Yep.
It's close. It just needs to, I think, come down, maybe out of here.
No, that's off. You want me to sit there and do that while you tell me what to do?
That's got to go down more. It definitely helps to have someone else adjusting these so you can sit on the bike and get them in the right position while you're in the sitting position.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we got some new highway pegs on. Now we're going to have to ride it some, test it out, see how we like them. I think I've got them adjusted pretty well. After I've gotten to put a couple 100 miles on, we'll tell you what we think about them. Alright guys, so I've had those Kemimoto Highway Pegs on for about a week now. I've put several hundred miles on them. We did a big ride yesterday and stuff. They're just as comfortable and just as good as the Kemimoto Longhorn mounts with the eBay pegs that I'd put on there before. I'll put a link to the Kemimoto ones that I'm using now, and I'll provide links to the other ones that I used before. The adjustment for the Longhorns might be a little bit simpler because there's more ways to do that, but they are a highway peg mount and then a highway peg, two separate things. The Kemimoto is an all-in-one, and you can adjust it, and I was able to get them in the same positions. I'm riding with the footrest the same way I like them, same way I've been running with them for 5 years. The foot pegs on these Kemimotos do match the floorboards on my stock 2016 Street Glide. They look like the same foot pegs that I bought off of eBay before. Now the ones I bought off eBay before, those little silver inserts in the middle, they came off after about 6 to 9 months. I don't remember exactly now, it's been years. I've just been running without them. I made a video recently about YouTubers becoming shills for products. So I want to be very clear. Kemimoto gave me these to review. Now when they offer me a product to review, I make sure it's something that I have experience with. It's not something I want just to get something for free. I already had highway pegs. So by doing this review, it's so I can compare them to another product and tell you the difference or the value in them. I'm going to keep running the Kemimotos on my bike for however long. If I run into a problem with them, I'll let you guys know. I'll let Kemimoto know. If I haven't come back and told you anything, assume they're good. If you don't trust me, watch my videos. You'll see the product still on the bike. We'll come back and maybe do a long-term review after a year or sooner if I run into any problems with them. I think they're a great value for the price. Now I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can go check these out on Amazon, but at the time of making this video, these were less than $75. The Kemimoto Highway Peg mounts I bought 5 years ago run over $100, and that's without the actual foot pegs. Alright guys, I hope you like this review. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out the content on my channel, and if you dig it, hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. And as always, stay safe, thanks for your support, and keep on riding.